Hey, almost all the elements of our portfolio are already created, so we're almost ready to launch our website. In this lesson, we are going to work with some time-saving tools using the objects we created. The first tool we are going to look at is the combination of different options that we are going to use for many objects. What if, instead of your own portfolio, the client you're developing this website for asks you to make some changes? Or what if, after a while, we change our mind regarding the colors or the font used for the buttons? For these cases, Sketch offers the possibility to share styles. We can use a recurrent style repeatedly and apply it to many objects. Thus, if we want to change any property, we just have to introduce the change once and it will be applied automatically. Let's see it with the social network buttons we created some lessons ago. These buttons have a particular background color and a shadow, and the three of them share the same style. So instead of repeating the same style for the three buttons, we just can select one of them and go to the tab No Layer Style in the inspector. After clicking, a pop-up menu appears. Click on Create New Layer Style. It will ask you to give a name to this layer. A social networks button, for instance. Once the style is saved, select the other buttons and go again to No Layer Style to apply the layer we just created. Guys, you won't notice anything since these three already had the same style. So, what is this tool useful for? Okay, let's say I don't like the gray background anymore and I prefer blue. When I change the color, a little asterisk appears next to the shared style, like telling us that we've changed something. Then, if we open the Style pop-up menu, we'll see that a new layer has been added, so when I click on it, the new style is applied to the rest of the buttons. See? So it applied to all of them. Let's undo it and go again to the shared style. There are other two options. One, to reset layer style, with which we can remove the style in case we are not happy with the result and want to go back to a previous style. And a second one, to create a new layer style using the latest modifications. However, we may go crazy when working with tons of layer styles. And there's a way to organize your layers with the option Organizing Layer Styles. Here we'll be able to change the layer's name as well as remove layers. Can you think of any other case where layer styles are also useful? That's it, the buttons. As we did with the social networks, we can create a layer style and save their properties such as the background color, the rounded borders, shadows, to apply to all the buttons. Great, so this has been all related to layer styles. See you in the next video.